Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,900, showing 111,000 miles, paired with an automatic transmission, a silver exterior, and a clean blue interior. Powered by the dependable 6.5L turbo diesel engine, the truck has been well cared for and remains in excellent condition inside and out. Its clean appearance, low mileage, and original diesel powertrain make it an increasingly desirable example of a classic Chevrolet truck, offering both reliability and long-term appeal. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, starts immediately every time, and is ready to be driven without needing any immediate attention. The engine delivers strong, dependable performance, while the automatic transmission shifts smoothly for a comfortable driving experience. The interior has been kept clean and well maintained, complementing the truck's overall condition. With its combination of low mileage, solid mechanical condition, and the sought-after 6.5L turbo diesel engine, this Chevrolet 1500 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a clean, dependable, and increasingly hard-to-find diesel pickup.
Number 2.
1999 Chevrolet S10, price $5,500. The truck is an extended cab model with a third door, equipped with a 4.3L Vortec V6 engine and an automatic transmission. With 130,000 miles, a beige exterior, a gold interior, and a gasoline-powered drivetrain, this truck has been well cared for and remains in excellent original condition.
It starts easily, runs strong, and drives smoothly with no known mechanical issues.
The air conditioning and heating systems both work properly, and all factory features function as intended. The truck has never been involved in any accidents, has always been garage-kept, and stands as a clean, well-preserved example of a classic Chevrolet S10.
Number 3.
1999 Ford F-150, price $8,500. It has 158,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a reliable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine, a blue exterior, and a gray interior. Presented in a desirable Super Cab flare-side configuration, the truck has been well maintained and thoughtfully upgraded throughout its ownership. It comes with 2 keys and 2 remote key fobs, making it a practical and dependable choice for everyday driving. The truck features a variety of performance and appearance upgrades, including 20-inch Eagle alloy wheels, a Beltec 2.4 lowering kit, a K&N cold air intake, a custom Lightning-style exhaust, and Lightning-style headlights. The interior has been enhanced with a Kenwood touchscreen head unit featuring Apple CarPlay,
along with a new headliner and newer gray and black front seat covers.
Maintenance has been extensive, with replacements or servicing that include the spark plugs, ignition coils, plug wires, alternator, belt, pulleys, radiator, hoses, coolant flush, transmission fluid, rear differential fluid, front brake pads and rotors, brake fluid flush, rear drums, power steering fluid, fuel pump module, and battery. Additionally, the engine has consistently received Mobil 1 oil and filter changes every 5,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership and regular preventive maintenance.
Number 4.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It has been driven 111,400 miles and is powered by a dependable gasoline V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in an attractive gold exterior with a brown interior, this long bed truck has spent its life in Arizona, allowing it to remain rust-free and in excellent structural condition. It offers a clean title, making it an appealing choice for buyers looking for a classic Chevrolet pickup with a strong foundation. This truck is equipped with 33-inch mud tires that provide an aggressive appearance and added capability on rough terrain, while still being comfortable enough for everyday driving. The air conditioning system blows cold, ensuring a comfortable cabin in warm weather, and the upgraded Apple CarPlay head unit adds modern technology with convenient access to navigation, music, and hands-free communication. The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives exceptionally well, making it reliable for both city driving and longer highway trips.
Number 5.
1999 Ford F-150, price $5,995. It has been driven 65,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a black interior, and a gasoline-powered 4.2L V6 engine paired with a 2WD automatic drivetrain.
As a one-owner truck with no accident history, it starts, runs, and drives exceptionally well.
Previously owned and maintained by the University of Minnesota, it has been consistently serviced and performs like a low-mileage vehicle. The truck features a desirable 8-foot-long bed with convenient side-mounted toolboxes, along with a clean, rust-free frame and bed. It also offers cold air conditioning, an excellent heater, and impressive fuel economy, making it a practical choice for both work and everyday driving. Overall, this well-maintained F-150 is in excellent mechanical condition and is ready to provide reliable service to its next owner.
Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior.
Among the most significant improvements are a new engine and transmission, both of which have only approximately 9,000 miles of use. Additional upgrades include a brand new set of wheels, a completely new air conditioning system, a freshly applied bedliner, and an upgraded audio system with a new radio and speakers. The truck's chassis has accumulated 247,000 miles,
while the major drivetrain components have already been replaced with much lower mileage units. Cosmetically, it shows the typical rust commonly found on OBS Chevrolet trucks of this era, which is expected for a vehicle of its age. It is also worth noting that the gas tank has a very small leak that may require attention. Number 7.
1991 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,500, powered by a legendary 454 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this heavy-duty pickup has been driven 298,000 miles and remains a dependable work truck. It has recently been serviced, features a replaced transmission, and comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning and new headlights. Built for strength and reliability, the truck delivers a smooth ride while offering the capability expected from a 1-ton dually. With its proven 454 V8 performance and solid overall condition, the Chevrolet 3500 is well suited for towing, hauling, or anyone looking for a classic heavy-duty pickup with plenty of power.
Number 8.
1989 Ford F-150, price $5,300, with only 29,000 miles driven. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a brown interior, this gasoline-powered truck features an automatic transmission and is equipped with the dependable 351 engine. It retains many of its original characteristics, including the factory radio, while maintaining a classic and authentic appearance. Being a Southern truck, it has remained completely rust-free, preserving its solid body and original structure. While it could use some additional TLC to further improve its condition, this truck remains a great classic truck with low mileage, a powerful 351 engine, and plenty of potential for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a clean and authentic vintage pickup.
Number 9.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with 190,000 miles, an automatic transmission, black exterior, brown interior, and a gasoline-powered engine. It is equipped with the proven 5.7L Vortec V8 engine, a properly functioning 4WD system, cold-blowing AC, and a clean title. Recent maintenance has included a new radiator, new brake lines, transmission service, a new fuel filter, front brake service, cooling system maintenance, and regular oil changes, helping keep the truck dependable for daily use, work, or as a project vehicle. The truck does have some known issues, including the need for a new muffler and a low-speed ABS activation problem caused by the common GMT 400 wheel speed sensor issue. The brakes function normally, with the ABS only engaging briefly at very low speeds. As a 28-year-old Minnesota truck, it shows typical cosmetic wear, including faded paint on the hood and some rust.
Number 10.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $3,685, powered by a dependable 3.9L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 100,000 miles, this pickup has been well maintained and continues to start easily, run strong, and drive great. The engine and drivetrain provide a confident driving experience. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, this Dakota has been kept in very clean condition inside and out. The cabin is exceptionally clean and comfortable, showing the care that has been put into maintaining the truck over the years. The bed area is equipped with a bed cover and bed rug, providing additional protection while keeping the cargo area clean, functional, and ready for use. It also features cold air conditioning, ensuring a comfortable ride during hot weather. A new taillight has recently been installed, further improving the truck's appearance and reliability.